Hi, let me tell you about another great Manning book, Spring in Action 6th edition, written by Craig Walls.
The Spring framework has evolved to keep up with the changing landscape of application development, from traditional web applications to modern cloud-based microservices and reactive programming. Spring Boot was introduced to simplify the development process, and it's now a central part of the Spring ecosystem. Spring is a powerful framework that manages application components known as beans within a container called the Spring Application Context. Dependency injection, DI, is a core pattern used by Spring to connect these beans, allowing for loose coupling and easier management of application components. Spring's container handles the instantiation and wiring of beans, which can be automatically detected and configured using auto-wiring and component scanning. Spring Boot enhances this with auto-configuration, reducing the need for explicit configuration. To begin a Spring project, we use Spring Initializer, accessible via web, command line, or integrated development environments, IDEs, like Spring Tool Suite, STS. STS provides a user-friendly interface for managing Spring Boot applications. It is also possible to start a Spring project with IntelliJ IDEA, Ultimate Edition, or with NetBeans by using the Spring Boot add-on. One option for creating a new project is using STS with a simple wizard that sets up the project structure and dependencies. The generated project includes a Maven or Gradle build specification, a main application class, and a test class. Developing a Spring application involves creating controllers, views, and tests. We start by building a home page for the Taco Cloud application. A controller class handles web requests, and a view template defines the page's appearance. Spring MVC, the web framework within Spring, uses annotations like @controller and @getMapping to map requests to controller methods. Thymeleaf is used as the template engine for its seamless integration with Spring Boot. Testing is facilitated by Spring's testing support, which allows for HTTP requests to be simulated and responses to be validated. The application can be run using the Spring Boot dashboard or command line, with an embedded Tomcat server serving the application. Spring Boot DevTools provides development utilities like automatic restarts and browser refreshes, enhancing the development experience. Spring Boot's auto-configuration and the streamlined project setup with Spring Initializer allow developers to focus on building application features rather than boilerplate code. The framework supports a wide range of application types and architectural styles, making it a versatile choice for modern application development.
Get this book at manning.com